There are many reporting tools in the market. From that, there is a tool known as Power BI. So I will tell you what is mean by Power BI, what are the advantages of Power BI, and why you should choose Power BI. Let us see it one by one. So what is Power BI? So I can define Power BI in two ways. Number one, Power BI is a business intelligence tool which helps you to analyze the data, clean your data, and convert your data into visual formats where you can create business reports and business dashboards. So, this is a business intelligence tool. In the other language, if you ask me what is Power BI, then it can be defined as it is a collection of components like Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, and Power BI Service. Okay. Where Power Query is an ETL tool which extracts, transforms, and load the data. That means it is used for cleaning the data. If you have unclean data like nulls, blanks, zeros, unwanted rows, then it can be cleaned the data and you can get corrected data. Okay. Second component is Power Pivot. So Power Pivot is used to create data models. You can create different data models by using Power Pivot. If you have multiple data sources and you want to connect them to create relationships, then you can use Power Pivot. The third tool is Power View. This is an visualization tool, that is Power View. Power View can be used to create about 250 plus charts like bar chart, donut chart, line chart, and so on. And there is the last one which is known as Power BI service. So if you wish to share these visualizations across the world with different users, then you can use Power BI service. So Power BI service will help your users to communicate with each other via Power BI service. Okay. So Power BI is the package of four components, that is Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, and Power BI service. Why to choose Power BI? If you are new to this course, then why to choose Power BI? Why not others? I can give 5 reasons. Number one, search volume on Google. So if you go to Google and you will get this Google Trends where you can compare different tools or different technologies you can compare and you can get the search volume of these tools. Okay. So in India, if you see here in India, past 5 years data is there. So Tableau, how much Tableau has been searched is in blue. How much Power BI has been searched, it is in red. So if you see, currently Power BI has increased the search volume. Okay. So you can choose it in, you can change the country as well. Okay. So you can see the search volumes. If you compare the search volume of W and Power BI, you can see Power BI has increased the volume, increased search volume. Then the second reason is maximum features. So there are 280 plus charts in Power BI you can design. There are 1200 plus different functions like M function, DAX functions are there. Third one is cost of Power BI. So Power BI is very much cheaper reporting tool as compared to other reporting tools. So costing is very much less for Power BI, almost $10, 10 US dollar per user per month. Okay. The fifth one is data connectivity. You can pull data from 100 different data sources in Power BI. From structured, from unstructured data sources, you can pull the data. And the fifth one is the Gartner Magic Quadrant. Power BI tool is recognized by Gartner company. Gartner is a company which learns and understands different technologies, different tools, and publish one report each and every year. So this report is for January 2022, and here you can see Microsoft Power BI. Microsoft is in the leaders quadrant. So Microsoft is not only just Power BI, but it has different tools, but still it is at the topmost in leaders quadrant. Okay, after that, how Power BI works. Okay, so how Power BI works exactly from start to end, you can see. If you want to create a dashboard in Power BI, Power BI can pull data from Excel. Let us consider Power BI as a one block. Okay, I can divide it into two different parts. The first one is Power BI desktop and the second one is Power BI service. Power BI desktop is a desktop application. It is a developer tool which can be downloaded and can be installed. Power BI service is an online version. It is a cloud version which is used for sharing and collaboration. If you want to create a dashboard on Power BI, okay, so Power BI can pull data from different data sources like Excel, then CSV, then MS Access, SharePoint. Then there are n number of like hundred of data sources where from where Power BI can pull the data and then clean the data, and then you can do data modeling on the data which you have pulled, and then you can work on creating different charts and reports. After creating these charts and reports, you can share those reports with multiple users across the world just by publishing them this just by publishing those reports on Power BI service. Here it is Power BI service. uh, Here it is a Power BI service account. You need to publish it. So this is a complete architecture of Power BI. The best part of Power BI is that it is completely automated. Okay, you do not have to do anything manually. So once you teach Power BI to first pull the data from so and so database and then clean it, then it will create the relationship in Power Pivot and then sends the reports. This complete architecture is automated, and this is the best part of this Power BI. So, so that's why it is known as business intelligence tool. I hope you understand the Power BI, what is Power BI, why you should learn Power BI, and how Power BI works. Thanks for watching my video.